Hi, and welcome to my channel AI and Automation for Everyday Use. This video is part of a series of videos on how to master N8N and WordPress integration. If you're interested in building real-world AI-powered digital services using automation tools and WordPress, you're in the right place. This video focuses entirely on Module 1, creating a WordPress business site. The first step in launching your automated subscription-based platform. We'll be working with a practical use case, building and selling a digital product called the AI Newsfeed Agent, which we'll use throughout the rest of the series. In this module, I'll guide you step by step through setting up your WordPress site from scratch, choosing a domain and hosting provider, installing and configuring WordPress, adding WooCommerce, creating your first two products, AI Newsfeed Agent, 1 week free, and AI Newsfeed Agent, $5 for 30 days, customizing your homepage and permalinks, setting up Stripe to collect payments, enabling HST or local tax settings, and finally, enhancing your product pages using ChatGPT to write compelling descriptions. By the end of this video, your site will be live, professional, and fully capable of selling digital subscriptions, ready for automation. In the next video, we'll move on to Module 2, where we dive into N8N and start building workflows to connect your store to tools like Google Sheets, Gmail, and more. Everything shown in this video is fully explained with detailed steps. And if you'd like access to the complete course transcript, you'll find the link in the video description. Let's jump into the build. Let's get started with the hands-on part of the course. And our first task is to set up a WordPress business site. This will be the foundation of everything else we build, so follow along carefully. Step 1. Choose a hosting provider. Now, let's choose a hosting provider that supports WordPress. Some great options are SiteGround, Bluehost, Hostinger, or Cloudways for more advanced users. For this course, I recommend Hostinger because it has a fast setup process. Step 2. Set up WordPress. Once you've signed up with your hosting provider, 1. Log into your hosting dashboard. 2. Look for a WordPress installer or one-click install option. 3. Select your domain. 4. Enter a site name. 5. Create a username and password for your WordPress admin. Click Install, and within a minute or two, your WordPress site will be live. Step 3. Access the WordPress admin dashboard. After installation, you can access your WordPress admin panel by going to https://yourdomain.com WP admin login with the credentials you just created. Once inside, you'll see the WordPress dashboard. This is your control center. That's it for section 1. You now have a working WordPress website set up on your custom domain. Part 2, section 1. Install and configure WooCommerce. Now that your WordPress site is live, we're going to turn it into a fully functional online store by installing WooCommerce. WooCommerce is the most popular e-commerce plugin for WordPress, and it's perfect for selling both digital and physical products, including subscriptions. Let's get started. Step 1. Install the WooCommerce plugin. 1. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, Add New. 2. In the search bar, type WooCommerce. 3. Find the official plugin developed by Automatic and click Install Now. 4. Once installed, click Activate. This will automatically launch the WooCommerce Setup Wizard. Step 2. Complete the WooCommerce Setup Wizard. You'll be asked to configure your store in a few steps. Here's what to enter. Store details. Enter your business address. This helps configure taxes and payment methods. Industry, choose a category that fits your business, like education or digital products. Product types, choose downloads if you're selling digital goods. If you plan to offer subscriptions, don't worry. We'll add that functionality in a later step. Business details, you can skip the marketing tools for now. Theme, you can stick with your current theme or choose a recommended one. You can always change this later. Click Continue after each screen. Step 3. Configure basic store settings. After the setup wizard finishes, you'll land in your WooCommerce dashboard. Now go to WooCommerce settings. we'll review some key tabs. In the General tab, ensure your store location and currency are correct. If you're in Canada, set the currency to Canadian dollar. In the Tax tab, enable taxes if you plan to charge them. We'll configure HST settings in a later section. Step 4. Set up email notifications. Navigate to WooCommerce, Settings, Emails. Here you can configure new order and canceled order notifications sent to the store admin. Customer order confirmation emails. Customize the from email and add your brand logo. Make sure to test these later by placing a sample order. Once WooCommerce is set up, you now have the infrastructure to create and sell products. In the next section, we'll actually create our first 2 digital products, a free trial and a paid subscription. Part 2, Section 2, Create Digital Products, a free trial and a paid subscription. Now that WooCommerce is fully installed and configured, it's time to create the digital products we'll be using throughout this course. These will simulate real-world offerings so you can apply automation with N8N in a practical way. Step 1. Create the free trial product. An AI Newsfeed Agent, 1 week free. Let's start with the free trial version of your product. 1. From the WordPress dashboard, go to Products. Add New. 2. Set the product name as AI Newsfeed Agent, 1 week free. 3. In the product description, write a short paragraph like, try the AI Newsfeed Agent free for 7 days. Automatically stay updated with personalized news feeds powered by AI. No payment required to start. 4. Scroll down to the product data panel. From the drop-down, select Simple Product, then check the box for Virtual since it's a digital service. 5. Set the regular price to 0. 6. Optionally, add a product short description in the panel below the title. This appears on product listings. 7. On the right, assign a product category, e.g. AI services, and upload a product image. 8. Click Publish. This product will be used as the free trial offering. Later in the course, we'll automate how users access it and when it expires. Step 2. Create the paid subscription product called AI Newsfeed Agent, $5 for 30 days. Now let's create the paid version. 1. Go to Products, add New again. 2. Name the product. AI Newsfeed Agent, fire for 30 days. 3. In the product description, add subscribe to the AI Newsfeed Agent and get 30 days of personalized real-time news updates curated just for you by AI. Only $5 per month. 4. Scroll to the product data panel and again choose Simple Product. Check Virtual. 5. Set the regular price to $5. 6. Add a short description and product image as before. 7. Click Publish. Congratulations. You've now created 2 digital products that will be the core of your business use case throughout this course. In the next section, we'll customize the homepage and adjust your permalink structure to improve navigation and branding. Part 2, Section 3, Customize your homepage and permalink settings. At this stage, your site can display and sell products, but the default homepage and URLs are still a bit raw. Let's fix that by giving your site a professional layout and clean link structure. Step 1. Create a custom homepage. 1. Go to Pages. Add New. 2. Name this page Home. 3. In the content area, you can add a welcome message like, Welcome to AI Tools Lab. Start your free trial or subscribe to our AI-powered services. 4. Click Publish. Step 2. Set the home page in Settings. Now tell WordPress to use your new home page as the actual home page. 1. Go to Settings, Reading. 2. Under your home page displays, select a static page, set home page to the page you just created, Home. 3. Click Save Changes. Your site will now load your custom welcome page. Step 4. Update the permalink structure. 1. Go to Settings, Permalinks. 2. Select the option, Post Name. This makes your URLs cleaner, like yourdomain.com AI Newsfeed Agent. 3. Click Save Changes. Now your site has a custom homepage and cleaner SEO-friendly links, a small but powerful improvement. Next up, we'll connect Stripe so you can start accepting payments. Part 2, Section 5, integrate Stripe for payment processing. To sell subscriptions or digital products, you need a way to collect payments securely and reliably. Stripe is one of the best options. It's easy to set up, supports subscriptions, and works perfectly with WooCommerce. Let's walk through the setup. Step 1. Install the WooCommerce Stripe Payment Gateway plugin. 1. Go to your WordPress dashboard. 2. Navigate to Plugins, add New. 3. Search for WooCommerce Stripe Payment Gateway 4. Click Install now, then Activate. This plugin is developed by WooCommerce and Stripe, so it's fully supported. Step 2. Connect your Stripe account. 1. After activation, go to WooCommerce, Settings, Payments. 2. Look for Stripe, credit card, debit card, and click Setup or Manage. Now you'll have 2 options. If you already have a Stripe account, click Connect with Stripe to authorize your site. If not, you can create an account during the process. Once connected, WooCommerce will retrieve your API key from Stripe automatically. At this point, your website is capable of selling and fulfilling orders, and the payment system is live and secure. Next, we'll handle taxes, specifically how to set up HST or your local tax settings in WooCommerce. Part 2, Section 6, Set up HST or applicable tax settings. Depending on where you're located and selling to, you may be legally required to charge tax on digital products or subscriptions. In Canada, that often means HST, GST, or PST, depending on the province. Here's how to configure WooCommerce to automatically handle tax calculations. Step 1. Enable tax settings in WooCommerce. 1. Go to WooCommerce Settings General 2. Check the box that says Enable Taxes and Tax Calculations. 3. Click Save Changes. A new tax tab will appear in your WooCommerce settings. Step 2. Configure tax options. 1. Go to WooCommerce Settings, Tax. Let's go through the most relevant settings. Prices entered with tax. Choose No, I will enter prices exclusive of tax. This makes it easier to show customers the base price and add tax during checkout. Calculate tax based on set this to customer billing address, shipping tax class. Leave this as standard unless you're selling physical goods with different rates. Display prices during cart and checkout. Choose, including tax to show customers the final price they will pay. Click Save Changes. Step 3. Add Canadian HST tax rates. Now let's enter the specific tax rates. 1. Still in the Tax tab, click Standard Rates. 2. Click Insert Row, then enter the following: country code CA, state code, your province, e.g. ON for Ontario, QC for Quebec, rate percent, for example, 13 for Ontario, HST, tax name, HST, priority, 1. Leave the other fields as default repeat for each province or territory you plan to sell to. For example, Ontario, ON, 13%, British Columbia, BC, 5%, GST plus 7%, PST. This requires multiple lines with different tax names. Alberta, AB, 5% GST. Tip: if you're only selling to Canada, you can leave the country code set to CA and just configure provinces. Click Save Changes when you're done. Step 4. Show tax info on invoices and emails. WooCommerce will now automatically calculate and apply taxes based on your customer's location. Taxes will also appear on the checkout page, order confirmation emails. That's it. Your store is now tax compliant and ready to calculate HST or other applicable taxes automatically. In the final section of Part 2, we'll enhance your product listings using AI by generating product descriptions with ChatGPT. Let's face it, writing product descriptions can be time-consuming and awkward, especially if you're not a copywriter. Luckily, we can use ChatGPT to generate high-quality, persuasive descriptions for your digital products in seconds. This not only saves you time, but also makes your products more appealing to potential customers. And that concludes Part 2 of this video, where we fully set up your business site, created 2 digital products, and gave your store a professional polish. In the next video, we'll move into Module 2 of the course, Introduction to N8N, and start building automation workflows that connect your store to real-time responses, spreadsheets, and email notifications. Stay tuned, and don't forget you can access the full course material from the link in the video description.